It was an honor to be asked to speak at DEF in Italy, and really the reason I accepted was the question that Sandy asked me, which was, can you please come and talk to us about how you built these online communities for digital entrepreneurs, and talk about how that's helped in terms of job creation and job growth. We've seen such success in Chicago, Denver, and Los Angeles from what we've been doing that I felt like it is my obligation and my duty to share those lessons learned with the rest of the world, frankly. And if everyone else can benefit from what we've learned, then that'll be a success. So I think the key factors for an ecosystem, first and foremost, are the entrepreneurs themselves. You need to have digital entrepreneurs, or entrepreneurs in general, who are leading the ecosystem. Our site was founded by Matt Moak, who's a serial entrepreneur in Chicago. It would not have succeeded otherwise. It has to be entrepreneur-led. The other factors include the investor community. You must have capital. The corporations, who are the purchasers and the acquirers of the digital startups. You need the government to be supportive. We in Chicago specifically have the most incredible mayor, Rahm Emanuel, who's extremely supportive of what we're building, as well as our governor. So the government needs to be supportive. You need the service providers, the lawyers, the accountants, the payroll providers, everyone who serves the startup community. And then you need the academics, you need the universities to foster an environment of students who are going to be the next generation of entrepreneurs. So I think you're seeing a lot of headway in both healthcare and education. I think both industries are ripe for disruption. I know that word is used quite frequently, but it's true. I think there's plenty of work to be done in both those industries. I also think any company that is serving small businesses, any company that is operating in sort of that business-to-business model, I think we're seeing a resurgence of that, as opposed to the last couple of years, which have been very consumer-focused. I think you're seeing a lot of companies pivoting and or creating new models that are appealing to other businesses. So I think both of those are going to be interesting in the next few years.